Hey there, thanks for tuning in and a very warm welcome to the channel. Now the holiday season is now upon us and I'm here with another great tasty side dish to help your big meal be a great success. And today I'm using my favourite kitchen gadget. You all know what it's going to be. It's the Thermomix TM6. And we're actually going to see how versatile the Thermomix is by cooking braised red cabbage. Now, I normally do this traditionally on the hob, so I'm quite eager to see how it turns out. So this says cut it into 3 pieces. I've cored my cabbage. Place 200 grams of cabbage, core removed, cut into 3 pieces. As close as I can, it's about 200, 229. Next, usual story. Turn speed selector to speed 4. Let's chop. Next, transfer to a large bowl and set aside. Next, same again. So I'm going to do this that's 263. It's a little bit over, but what do you do? This thing should be able to chop a whole red cabbage in one go anyway, so that's it, measuring cup. Same again, speed selector 4. Transfer to a bowl. Again, as I say, how easy is this? It's just so easy to chop. Next, same again, we're going to be a little bit under here, I think. But hey ho. Next, chop again. Transfer to a bowl and set aside. Oops, lost some. Oh no, some's gone on the floor. Next, 250 grams of dessert apples. I've already cored these and quartered them. Shouldn't be far off, 293, a little bit over. So what are you guys cooking in your Thermomix for Christmas? Is there anything you'd like to see me cook? Or have you ordered a Thermomix and you're waiting for it to come? Let me know in the comments below. And if there's anything I can help you with, any questions you've got to ask, please do. I'm more than happy to try and convince you to buy one of these. So turn speed selector to speed 4. No knife work, all been done for us. This is technical stuff. Add reserved cabbage. Oh no, it's going over the floor. I'm losing half of it again. What am I doing? Goodness me. What a klutz. Gonna have to get the vacuum cleaner out in a minute. And next, 200 grams of apple juice. Always make sure that tears on 0, as I always say. Weighs in as you put in. There we go, that'll do. 202. Next, 15 grams of brown sugar, dark muscovado I'm going to use. Muscovado rather. Bit of sweetness. We've got the apple juice. Oh no, look! It's going everywhere again. What am I doing? What a mess I'm making. Can you imagine me cooking without a Thermomix? I'd be in a right state. Next, a little bit of salt. Just a wee bit, half a teaspoon. I'll do a bit of seasoning there. I reckon it's going to ask for black pepper. It is. And away we go to next. Insert measuring cup. Next. So half an hour, speed selected to 2, and this will give me time to clean this blooming mess up I've just made. So see you in 30 minutes. We have 5 seconds to go, and as you can see, it's been braising at precisely 98 degrees Celsius, and with that brings consistency. I really hope this doesn't turn out to be a dog's dinner, but it never does. Scrape down size of mixing bowl with spatula. I don't think this is quite done yet, so let's do as required. I think it's got a little bit more cooking time. We'll find out next. Yes, it has. Speed selected to 1, so it's got another 10 minutes, and I will see you then. We are almost there. There we go, and how simple and easy was that. Always be careful of the steam when you're lifting the lid if you're new to this machine. Next, scrape down the sides with spatula. I think pretty much this should be it. It's looking good inside the bowl. No, we're not done. It's another stage of cooking. What do I know? Smells incredible. Really festive. Another 10 minutes, and that is it. Serve immediately or keep warm until required. I'm actually going to have a go at freezing this and see how it goes. It certainly smells the part anyway. Oh, it's delicious. It's broken up, it's broken down. It's definitely cooked through. So let's give it a little taste test. And one thing you'll get from me on this channel, especially with the Thermomix, particularly the Thermomix, is honesty. And if it's not as good, I'll certainly tell you. So let's give it the taste test. Okay, here we go. Is it better? Is it as good, or is it worse? You've got the apple juice coming through, the apples. It's really, really good. Has it got a place on my dinner table on Christmas Day or any other day? Absolutely, you bet. And it was really, really easy. I do hope you enjoyed today's video. Definitely give this a go if you own a Thermomix TM6. And click like, subscribe and all those good things. It helps my channel a lot. If there's anything you'd like to see me cooking in Thermomix TM6 or anything else traditionally, comment below. I hope you'll be tuning in for more side dishes and more Christmas ideas. But if you don't, I wish you, your family and all your loved ones a very warm Merry Christmas.